Hey there, this is Salman and you are watching Zettalysis. In this video I have a phone. This is Itel A25 Pro. Codename is L5002 or L5002P. Both models are same. There is not such difference. But the problem with this phone is its IMEI numbers are gone, so that's why there is no network in the phone. Both SIMs are not functional. As in the about screen, we can see that the IMEIs are blanked and gone. And we can double check it in the dialer menu by dialing *#06#. You can see that both IMEIs are here also nullified and changed into zeros. So in this video I am going to repair its IMEIs. Its repair is not much difficult. You have to download a Spreadtrum based Imei Repair tool because this Itel A25 is a Spreadtrum based phone. I will place all the links of all the necessary softwares in the description below. You can download from there. So in order to repair its IMEI, first power off this phone. Download the WriteIMEI tool for Spreadtrum based phones. Extract it. Then open the directory and run the tool. Now in the software interface, click on Set. Uncheck the Bluetooth MAC address. Uncheck the Wi-Fi MAC address. And just click Save. Select the port as USB. Now fill the IMEI 1 and IMEI 2 in their fields from the back side of your phone. Now just click on Write and then insert the battery in the mobile phone. With battery inserted, just connect the USB cable with phone and at the same time the repairing function will start. Just wait for it until it shows the pass screen. After that, just remove the USB cable and then reboot the phone. Here in the setting menu you can see that we had repaired this IMEI successfully. Also you can see that the network is also working, as you can see the incoming notifications and messages from service providers. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new from this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and just not only subscribe, ring the bell so my friends you will never miss any upcoming tips, tricks and advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I will see you in my next one. Till then, keep smiling.